Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make coffee without machine full guide. Start by heating water to about 195-205 degrees F and measure 1 to 2 tablespoons of coffee per 6 ounces. Choose a grind appropriate to your method and pour steadily or steep for the right time. Taste and adjust grind, dose, and time until the cup matches your preference. I'll guide you through each method step by step. I'll explain the main manual methods and when to use each one. Pour-over focuses on flow rate and filter choice for a clean cup. French press relies on immersion and coarse grounds for heavier texture. AeroPress offers flexibility for short brews or concentrated shots and works well when you need speed. I'll cover grind sizes, water ratios, and timing so you can replicate results consistently at home. I'll help you improve every cup with simple, practical tips. Fresh beans and a proper grind make the biggest difference in taste. We'll talk about using a scale for reliable ratios, tapping and blooming techniques to release gases, and small adjustments like water temperature and pouring speed. Clean gear and good water quality prevent off notes. These tweaks are easy but dramatically improve your daily coffee ritual.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.